Hi friends, once again I'm back with a new video, and today my topic is courses in psychology. Yes, sounds interesting. Psychology is really an interesting stream. As it is said, we cannot direct the wind, but we can adjust the sails. Yes, problems are parts of our life, and without problem there is no meaning of life. The only solution is how we overcome those problems. Mental health is becoming an important aspect in our lives today. In fact, after the pandemic, there has been a drastic increase in the need of studying mental health and caring about the mental well being. Let me tell you one thing, friends. What happens is normally we are only bothered about our physical health. We are bothered if we are not well. Oh, I have a headache. We think about headache, we think about fever, we think about other which is physically health, which is physically affecting us. But hardly do we think about our mental well-being. The body is made up of both physical and mental structure. And it is very important that we take care of both of them. In fact, the right definition of a healthy body is when it is physically and mentally sound. Sometimes what happens is people think, oh, mental ill means I'm insane. No. There is a difference between psychiatrist and psychologist. So insanity is something different which God forbidden shouldn't be there. And psychological problems are very common. When a child is in his teens, he may be having psychological problems. He may be having problems adjusting to his circumstances. He may be having problems adjusting to his parents' attitude. When a person goes to a new place, he or she may find difficult to adjust to those circumstances. Sometimes a person might feel dejected without any reason. Sometimes lack of sleep deprivation may also cause anxiety. So, when we say mental health, it is the concern related to our brain. And it is about studying our mind in the conscious, subconscious, and unconscious state. In fact, the importance of health has now increased to this extent that even the corporates have started instilling it in their companies. They are inviting the counselors, the life coaches, so that the mental health of their employees is well maintained. A new course called as business psychology has also evolved, which deals with people working in corporate and their well-being. We are living in a globalized world. Stress is part of our life. Whatever we do, we are going to be stressful. But at the same time, if we take care of them, like we go to gym to take care of our physical health, we don't have the time to exercise. Gone are the days when people used to stroll around in the gardens and in the fields. Today we go to gym so that we are physically fit. In the same manner, we need certain therapies to keep ourselves fit mentally. So, here comes the word psychology, the scientific study of the human mind and the functions of the mental characteristics and attitude of a person. It expresses the behavior and the cognitive process. It includes perception, cognition, attention, emotion, intelligence, phenomenology, motivation, brain functioning, and personality. What we think is our personality. Now I'm going to discuss about the courses that are available in our country for students who wish to take up this as a career in the future. Now, we have psychology in two aspects, two streams. The subject is the same, but we can take it with humanities also as well as with science. When you are taking with science, definitely your approach is going to be wider because you have the chance of becoming a psychiatrist, a proper doctor. And of course, you also have the prospects of whatever the other person with humanities has. For clinical psychology, neuropsychology, where you have to prescribe the medicines, there science PCB with psychology is important, is essential. Whereas if you are having psychology with humanities, then you can go for BA in applied psychology, BA honors in psychology, BA honors in psychology with English as a major subject, and BSc for those with science. Now, what is applied psychology? It deals with the psychological theories, the principle to overcome the problems in mental health, education, ergonomics, law, forensic science, school psychology, community psychology. A person pursuing this course has ample job scopes in both public and private sectors, in schools, in colleges. In fact, now it is very important. In fact, it is mandatory that you need to keep a counselor in the school. We need to have a child counselor in the school because a child may be having different kinds of problems. At primary level, the problems may be different. When the child is in teen, definitely the child has lots of problems, behavioral issues. And with the proper child counselors, psychologists, these things can be dealt in a better manner. Let me tell you one thing. There is a need of counselors who help out in the child's development. And as a curriculum in schools, in fact in B.Ed and even in nursery teachers training, we have child psychology as a subject. This is because when you are studying psychology, you are not studying human mind, you are studying the behavior, so you can be able to deal with those problems in a better manner. There are two children in a class, two students in a class, and a teacher knows how to deal with two different behavioral issues. So it is very, very important that a child is in the safe hands of teachers who are having some basic approach of psychology. So if a person has done BA psychology and later the person is becoming even a teacher, it's going to help her out. Then today we are also having freelance psychology consultations. After pursuing MA, you can go for license. You can work with those in those areas. If you wish to pursue doctorate, you definitely have PhD as well as MPhil. A person with BSc psychology will be going towards a biological psychology. That's a biological behavior. And These students have immense scope in healthcare, mental well-being. They can work as psychiatrists, psychologists, counselors in healthcare centers also, and even as freelancers. Apart from the regular graduate, you also have some diploma courses. Some of them are done after 12th standard and some of them can be done after your graduation. Like advanced diploma in child psychology. This basically helps people to become counselors, child psychologist, applied psychologist, clinical psychologist, family and child psychologist, rehabilitation psychology, and sports psychology. Yes, sports psychology. Why? Time and again, I have been telling you that now we are living in a competitive world. There is cutthroat competition at every moment. You never know what is going to happen the next. Definitely, when you fail, when you are not able to achieve what you wanted to, you feel dejected, you feel rejected. And that can be in even sports. And in sports, you need lots of energy, physically as well as mentally. So sports psychologists help them to overcome those problems that come specifically in their areas. We have certain entrances after class 12th like NEET. NEET is not only for becoming a doctor, also for biotech and psychology field. AEEE, then Delhi University entrance, LPU, lovely professional university, NPAT. Most of the universities, they are conducting these courses. Yes, now the second question comes, why opt for psychology as a career? Because you will be equipped with the marketable skills. You will stand outside the crowd. You have the power to solve the problems of others, unknot them, and go on with their lives every day. There was one famous movie of Shah Rukh Khan and Alia Bhatt, Dear Zindagi, that gives us an insight picture. Psychology deals with why people think and talk at different times. It will help the students without stumbling or beating around the bush. In fact, in the coming era, we have lots of employment opportunities all over. Areas of recruitment, if we say clinical psychology, industrial, juvenile centers, because when a person is imprisoned, when he comes back, he needs motivation to stand on his feet. Lecturer, then mental rehabilitation centers, multi-speciality hospitals, and if you are having a good degree, then as a professor. You can be called as a psychologist if you are into the science and psychiatrist, sports counselor, then rehabilitation counselors. Now let me tell you about the top universities where we have good courses. Aligarh Muslim University, Christ, Ferguson College, Gautam Buddha University, then Gujarat Forensic Science University, Jamia Millia, Delhi, Lady Shri Ram College for Women, lovely professional university, National Institute of Mental Health and Neuroscience, Bangalore, Osmania University, Andhra, Telangana. Then Tata Institute of Social Science, Mumbai. And St. Xavier's College, again Mumbai. So, what are you waiting for? If you are really keen to make profession, if you are really keen in solving problems for others, do pursue this course. Whether you are from humanities, commerce, or definitely science. Think over, ponder. You are going to work for others, but at the same time, you're going to get satisfaction. You're going to give satisfaction to millions of people. With the advent of technology, where the children are not able to go out, they face lots of trauma. You can be the one who can solve, who can become their mentor. Who knows, in the later stage, you may even have your own services. You may be employing people under yourselves. So, my friends, students, and parents, think over and do let me know if I can be of some help to you. As I have already told, I myself is a career counselor. If you need any help, you can book a slot on www.bodhami learning. Find my name, Dr. Rama Raghavan. Book a slot for one-to-one counseling. Watch my videos. WhatsApp me. I'm there available for you 24/7. Watch, like, and subscribe my videos. So, goodbye for now. Meet you with a new course in some other interesting stream. Bye.